In order to understand the concept of place of effective management, I would want you to first look at two scenarios. The first scenario is where there is a US company and it owns 100% in an Indian company. This also is known as inbound investment cases, where the investment that has been made is into an Indian company. Now here, the US company is the foreign company. The Indian company, like I said, is always a tax resident of India. The question is, can the US company be a tax resident of India? And for that, the concept of place of effective management is important. Which means, is it that the place of effective management of the US company is in India? If it is, then the US company is a tax resident of India. If it is not, the US company is not a tax resident of India. The second case is that where an Indian company is the owner of a foreign company. Let's say in this example we have taken this as a Netherlands company. Again, an Indian company is always a tax resident of India, so there is no issue out here. But insofar as the Netherlands company is concerned, whether it is as a tax resident of India or not will depend on where the place of effective management is situated. In both of these cases, one thing which is given is that being the 100% owner, the US company will definitely be taking some decisions which impact the Indian company. Similarly, in this case, the Indian company, which is the owner of the Netherlands company, will be taking decisions which will impact the Netherlands company. The question is, does the Indian company take almost all the decisions of the Netherlands company such that one can say that the effective management of the Netherlands company is in India? If that be the case, then in that case, the Netherlands company will become a tax resident of India. Now, this second case which we have is also known as outbound case, outbound investment as we call it. Why? Because here the money is going from India to out of India. In this case, the money is coming into India, and that's why we call this as inbound investments. Let us look at what exactly does the place of effective management mean. Now, place of effective management means a place where key management and commercial decisions that are necessary for the conduct of the business of an entity as a whole are in substance made. These three lines may seem to be quite simple, but I want to explain a few things here. सबसे पहले तो ये कि place of effective management means यानी एक exhaustive definition है. अगर इसमें फॉलो नहीं करते तो place of effective management वहाँ पर नहीं होगा. उस जगह पर जहाँ की मैनेजमेंट एंड कमर्शियल डिसीजंस, जो डिसीजंस लिए गए हैं वो की मैनेजमेंट और कमर्शियल डिसीजन होने चाहिए. अगर कोई छोटा मोटा डिसीजन एक जगह पे लिया जाता है, देन इट विल नॉट अमाउंट टू प्लेस ऑफ इफेक्टिव मैनेजमेंट. इट हैज़ टू बी द की डिसीजन विच इज टेकन एट दैट प्लेस. Second is, this key decision which is taken should be necessary for the conduct of business of an entity as a whole. मतलब एक कंपनी किस डायरेक्शन में जाएगी, उसका बिजनेस कैसे कंडक्ट होगा एट एन एंटिटी लेवल, नॉट एट अ पर्टिकुलर कोई भी छोटा मोटा काम. मान लीजिए अगर आपने एक परचेज करना है, कोई भी छोटा सा लेट्स से इक्विपमेंट, मशीनरी कोई परचेज करनी है छोटी सी, आपका बिजनेस 100 करोड़ का है, मशीन मान लीजिए 10 लाख रुपए की, वो डिसीजन अगर किसी और जगह लिया गया वो की मैनेजमेंट एंड कमर्शियल डिसीजन में नहीं होगा। क्यों? क्योंकि इस 10 लाख रुपए के डिसीजन से आपका बिजनेस जो है वो इम्पैक्ट नहीं होगा एट एन ओवरऑल लेवल। ऑब्वियसली थोड़ा बहुत होगा, बट इट इज़ नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर द कंडक्ट ऑफ द बिजनेस ऑफ द एंटिटी एज अ होल। एंड सच डिसीजंस आर इन सब्सटेंस मेड, मतलब वास्तव में, रियलिटी में, एक्चुअली में। आप ये खाली एक बोर्ड मीटिंग किसी कंट्री में कंडक्ट करके ये नहीं कह सकते कि यहाँ पे सब्सटेंस वाइज हमारे डिसीजंस यही होते हैं अगर डिसीजन कोई और किसी कंट्री में ले रहा है। सो द डिसीजन हैज़ टू बी मेड इन सब्सटेंस।